Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your Day 1 severe weather outlook. There are two slight risk areas for today, one covering southern Arizona and another covers central and east central Oklahoma, southern Missouri, northern half of Arkansas, far south central Illinois, southwestern Kentucky, most of Tennessee, northern Mississippi, northern Alabama, northern Georgia, most of South Carolina, and southern North Carolina. Cities in today's slate include Memphis, Tennessee, Charlotte, North Carolina, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Nashville, Tennessee, and Tucson, Oklahoma. And there's a large and elongated marginal risk area for today, which covers parts of Arizona, much of New Mexico, far southwestern Colorado, northwestern Texas, the Texas Panhandle, the Oklahoma Panhandle, northern, western, and southern Oklahoma, parts of Missouri, central Arkansas, parts of Mississippi, parts of Alabama, parts of Florida, or the northern half of Florida, and the eastern part of the Florida Panhandle. I think I mentioned parts of Alabama too. Most of Georgia, south central South Carolina, northern half of North Carolina, northeastern Tennessee, parts of Illinois, southern half of Indiana, parts of Kentucky, southern Ohio, all of Virginia, most of West Virginia, Washington, D.C., most of Maryland, all of Delaware, southern half of New Jersey, and southeastern Pennsylvania, which includes kind of like my area. My area is right on the cusp. Cities in today's marginal include Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Phoenix, Arizona, Jacksonville, Florida, Baltimore, Maryland, and Washington, D.C. Going to today's tornado threat, there is a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today covering southeastern Missouri, south central Illinois, far southwestern Indiana, southwestern Kentucky, and northwestern Tennessee. The 2% tornado risk area today includes Evansville, Indiana, Clarksville, Tennessee, Owensboro, Kentucky, Bowling Green, Kentucky, and Cape Girardeau, Missouri. So within this area, there could be a brief EF0, maybe EF1 tornado. Going to today's wind threat, there are two areas where we have 15% wind risk areas for today. One covering southern Arizona, and another covers central and east central Oklahoma, southern and southeastern Missouri, northern half of Arkansas, south central Illinois, southwestern Kentucky, most of Tennessee, northern Mississippi, northern Alabama, northern Georgia, most of South Carolina, and southern North Carolina. The 15% wind risk areas today include Memphis, Tennessee, Charlotte, North Carolina, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Nashville, Tennessee, and Tucson, Arizona. And there is an elongated 5% wind risk for today that covers parts of Arizona, much of New Mexico, far southeastern Colorado, southern Kansas, northwestern Texas, the Texas Panhandle, the Oklahoma Panhandle, northern, western, and southern Oklahoma, parts of Missouri, parts of Arkansas, parts of Mississippi, parts of Alabama, most of Georgia, the eastern part of the Florida Panhandle, northern half of Florida, south central South Carolina, northeastern Tennessee, northern North Carolina, most of Kentucky, southern half of Illinois, southern Indiana, southern Ohio, all of Virginia, most of West Virginia, Washington, D.C., most of Maryland, all of Delaware, southern half of New Jersey, and southeastern Pennsylvania. And my area is right on the cusp of the 5%. The 5% wind risk area for today includes Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Phoenix, Arizona, Jacksonville, Florida, Baltimore, Maryland, and Washington, D.C. Now, if you look at the black dashed areas, the black dashed areas are level 1 of 3 on the wind intensity index, alright? The black dashed areas are the highest potential for hurricane force wind gusts reaching or exceeding 74 miles per hour a day from thunderstorms, alright? Black dashed areas are the highest potential for hurricane force wind gusts to reach or exceed 74 miles per hour from thunderstorms, alright? Areas outside the black dashed areas are mainly 60 to 70 miles per hour, alright? Cities in the black dashed areas today include Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tucson, Arizona, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Norman, Oklahoma, and Broken Arrow, Oklahoma. And now for the hail threat, there are two areas where we have 5% hail risk areas for today. One covers southeastern Arizona, and another covers central and east central Oklahoma, far southwestern and far southeastern Missouri, northern Arkansas, and far southwestern Tennessee. The 5% hail risk areas today include Memphis, Tennessee, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tucson, Arizona, Tulsa, Oklahoma, and Norman, Oklahoma. So within these areas, there could be hail of 1 inch to 1.5 inches in diameter. In summary, thunderstorms capable of producing scattered, severe, and damaging winds will be possible this afternoon and evening from parts of the southern plains eastward into the lower Mississippi Valley and southeast. Scattered severe wind gusts are possible over in southern Arizona late this afternoon through the evening. So, that is your day 1 severe weather outlook. And I apologize for being very late with this, but I was volunteering this morning and didn't have time. So, I know I shared XPC convective outlooks day 1 outlook video. So, yeah. Anyway, stay safe in the affected areas today. Stay safe in the affected areas today. Whether you're in the slight or the marginal, since you never know if those can pull off. Now I'll have my day 2 severe weather outlook very soon. Take care.